Our today's topic is electrolysis. What is an electrolysis? An electrolysis is the thermal decomposition of a compound by passing an electric current through it. This diagram is called a voltameter. A voltameter is a vessel that contains an electrolytic solution and an electrode. When we are talking about electrolytic solution, an electrolytic solution, these are solutions that can conduct electric currents such as acid, base, and salt. Now, when we are talking about electrode, an electrode is a metallic pole that is deep inside an electrolyte to allow passage of electric current and also passage of electron. We have two types of the electrode. We have the positive electrode known as the anode, and we also have the negative electrode known as the cathode. Now let's explain what happens in this voltameter. In the voltameter, the chloride ions migrate to the anode side of the reaction, and then this reaction that occurs here is known as the oxidation reaction. And then the sodium ions migrate to the cathode side of the electrode, and then this reaction that occurs here is known as reduction reaction. So what I'm trying to say here is that at the anode electrode, oxidation reaction takes place, while at the cathode electrode, reduction reaction takes place. And another thing that happens in this voltameter is that at the anode, there's removal of electron and there's acceptance of electric current. And at the cathode, there's acceptance of electrons and there's removal of electric current. So this is also applicable to our car battery, whereby our car battery has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. So there's a movement of charge, there's a movement of electric current from the negative terminal of a battery to a positive terminal of a battery. So this is the reaction that occurs at the anode side, and this is the reaction that occurs at the cathode side. The reaction that occurs at the anode side is known as the oxidation reaction, and the reaction that occurs at the cathode side is known as reduction reaction. So from here, we can write the overall reaction that occurs in a voltameter, which is 2 chloride ions plus 2 sodium ions to give chlorine gas plus sodium metal. So this is the reaction that occurs in this voltameter.